Clean the work area thoroughly between each major step so dust and debris never compromise tile adhesion or finish. Start by removing loose debris with a soft bristled broom or a hand broom, working outward from the work zone so you do not track dust back onto cleaned areas. Follow sweeping with a shop vacuum using a brush or crevice tool attachment to pull fine grout, thin set, and dust from joints, corners, and under fixtures. Move the vacuum slowly and make multiple passes until suction picks up minimal visible dust. After vacuuming, use a damp microfiber cloth or mop with clean water only to wipe surfaces and capture remaining particulates. Change the water frequently and wring the cloth well so it is damp, not wet, because excess moisture can alter thinset and grout curing. For countertops, baseboards, and adjacent rooms, place rosin paper or drop cloths and tape seams to prevent migration of dust while working. Remove coverings gently to avoid redistributing particles. Between thinset application and tile placement, inspect substrate with good lighting and run your hand over the surface to feel for grit, then vacuum again if any is present. Before grouting, ensure tiles and joints are free of haze by wiping with a damp sponge and allowing full drying time specified by the product manufacturer before proceeding. Common problems include leaving a fine dust film that weakens bond, which you fix by using a high-efficiency shop vacuum and a final damp wipe with a microfiber cloth so nothing remains. Another frequent issue is overwetting the substrate during cleanup, causing thinset softening or delayed cure. Avoid this by using only damp cloths and changing water often, and by allowing recommended drying time before applying adhesives. A third concern is cross-contamination from tools and shoes that reintroduce debris. Keep a clean tool set and a shoe cover or designated clean footwear and isolate the tiled area with barriers to limit dust migration. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like tile installation, helping us find local installers and letting contractors discover new work near them. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other users exchange tips on cleaning methods, scheduling, and product choices.